Every roar in the wild hides a secret. Bigfoot is here to uncover it.
Nature speaks loud today. Bigfoot listens. Is that a cave?
Bigfoot's profound curiosity is stronger than his natural trepidation.
This is it! Enter a hidden world behind the water. History sleeps here, but Bigfoot just woke it up. For every danger, there's beauty waiting behind it.
Even in the unknown, Bigfoot builds home.
Day 21 ends with discovery. Anchors. Bigfoot found the secret of the falls.
Tomorrow, Bigfoot leaves the cave in black, but the secret stays behind.